there friends, it's Ashley here from The Loopy Lamb and theloopylamb.com, and today we are checking out this brand new line of yarn from our friends at Lion Brand. They kindly sent me 6 of their new Skein Tones shades of their basic stitch anti-pilling yarn to check out. So I'm excited to share this with you. If you've been following me for a while, you may know that I really love to make crochet dolls. It's been really important to me to try to make those dolls more inclusive of all the different skin colors that are out there. When I saw that this was a new product, I really loved the idea. I loved the colors, and I reached out and asked if I could check some of them out. I have 6 of the new colorways here. They say for your perfect match, because they want to have these skin tones available so you can choose the skin tone that you want to use as close as possible. I have 6 different colors here. Up in the top here, I've got hazelnut. This is almond, truffle, cocoa, mahogany, and cedarwood. And some of the balls are already a mess here because I've worked with them quite a bit. These are 100% anti-pilling acrylic, which is great for just in general use, but as well as for dolls, because if you're going to be giving it to a child, it's going to be used quite a bit. That pilling can be unsightly. So I really liked the fact that it's been made on the anti-pilling yarn, because my main focus for this will be to be making amigurumi dolls. Each of these skeins are 100 grams, and for 100 gram skein, you're looking at 185 yards or 170 meters. This is a size 4 worsted weight yarn, and the recommended hook size is an H or 5 millimeter. Your recommended needle size is, again, 5 millimeter or size 8. If you're using the recommended hook size, you can expect to get 16 single crochets and 18 rows in a 4-inch swatch. And for the knitters, you can get 18 stitches and 26 rows in a 4-inch swatch. Now this is machine washable. You can throw it in the dryer on tumble dry or gentle cycle. You can't, obviously, because it's acrylic, you're not going to be ironing this or putting it through any sort of hot heat cycles. I have a swatch for you here that I worked up with this, and I used a 5.5 millimeter hook. I actually did this swatch in the car while we were taking the kids out the other day. As I normally do with my swatches, I've got my single crochets, half doubles, and my double crochets up top. If I were using this for, say, a blanket, which is a very popular product to be making with these yarns right now, or if I want to make a garment or something like that, I personally would go up a hook size. This is a little stiff for my liking. There's not enough drape in that for me. So I'd personally go up. Stitch definition is great. No real issues with splitting. The yarn itself is soft. It does have a different feel, and I've felt this before with other anti-pilling yarns that I struggle to describe. It's been treated with something to make it anti-pilling, and you can tell the difference between this and another normal non-anti-pilling acrylic. Is that how you say that? I don't know. But anyways, you get what I'm saying, is that if yarns that haven't been treated with the same treatment that the anti-pilling does have a different feel. It is a lovely yarn. I really love them, and I'm really happy that this exists, and that, you know, people have the ability to go out there and get yarns to match the skin tones that they want. And I've tested this yarn significantly. I actually designed a doll with this already, and she'll be available soon. And I haven't even named her yet, but I love this yarn for amigurumi. It is a little tougher on the hands than some other acrylics that I've used for dolls. And again, it comes down to that treatment with whatever it is that they do to the yarn to make it anti-pilling. However, it works up beautifully. It makes a great stitch definition for a doll, and you really can't beat the colors. For the dress here, I've just used the regular basic stitch anti-pilling and not the Skein Tones. Just really nice yarn. I'm going to be using it quite a bit in the future. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it, and I love that it exists. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you've used this yarn, I'd love to hear from you and what your experience has been. And I'll make sure to link to where you can find this yarn on the Lion Brand site below in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel. And if you enjoy free crochet patterns, please check out my blog, theloopylamb.com. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.